my channel. I learn ABC A to Z. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cake. D. D is for doll. E. E is for egg. F. F is for flower. G. G is for God. H. H is for hat. I. I is for insect. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamb. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for coin. R. R is for ring. S. S is for snow. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for vase. W. W is for water. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for log. And Z. Z is for zebra. Let's repeat learn with me. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye-bye.